What's up, guys? It's your boy Isaiah, and I know I really haven't been making videos since that day. I got 4 subscribers, and I really want. Hold on, that's my phone. Sorry. So, guys, this is my friend Donnell. Make sure you go to his channel, and fun. Next video will be tomorrow, and he's surprised that I'm actually recording, and I'm gonna post this video, like for real. Like I'm actually I'm posting the video right now.
Yeah, but you didn't show fully.
What do you? Okay. So guys, this is my friend Donnell, and I'm recording right now.
Hey.
You can see the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, I've been coughing a lot. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm gonna get medicine before I go to bed, hopefully. And make sure y'all go to subscribe to his channel, June DD. Now, if you don't see it, type in "Meet My Family" by June DD. And he has some pretty good videos. It's kind of funny, but me and him are both comedians. Next video will be dropping early, only if I can get to 6 subscribers. 6 subscribers, that's all I need. That's all I need, 6 subscribers. Bye, love y'all.